Hey, how's it going, guys? Here to bring you another review. Um, my new knife just came in today. Um, it is the 8-inch tactical style cross-folding knife. Fishing, camping, or any daily uses. Um, let me. It's called the brand is called Falcon knives, and I really like this blade. It is sharp. I got it in black gold, and this is my type of knife. I was definitely drawn to this knife when I saw the design. I really love it. Um, really nice. Do a little do a little sharpness test, and we'll see what we got here. Look at that. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let me take another look at this knife, and I'll go over the specs a little bit for you. So let's go over the colors. It comes in gold black, which I have. You have black red, red black, some variants, blue, red chrome, red, red blue, and silver. So the overall length is 8 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches. The handle length is 4.5 inches. It's metal handle. Comes with the clip, which is awesome. Unfortunately, New York and Massachusetts, because of state law, you guys you cannot have this knife. Apparently, they cannot ship it to you. So, give you another look at this knife. Seal to it. Bunch of cool colors. Probably gonna buy a few. I'm probably gonna buy a few more, to be honest. Um, yeah. So if you're interested in this knife, guys, I'll have the Amazon link in the description. You want to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more reviews in the future. Thanks for watching.